Hi and welcome to this makeup tutorial. Today we are doing this very classic, very simple eye look with beautiful neutral colors. It is not very difficult to do and I hope you will enjoy it.
And here we are. As you can see, I've got one eye on already. And we are using this palette here. It's the Too Faced Let It Snow Girl palette. But it doesn't really matter what palette you use because everyone has neutral shades at home. So I've got my eyes primed with concealer. I've got my eyebrows done. And that is it. I'm not wearing any other products. Now we're going to pick up the first color. It's called Crumb. It's a pinkish nude shade. And I'm going to use this as my transition color in the crease. I'm picking that up on a crease brush and I'm just building that up a little. Next up, we are using a slightly darker brown shade. It's called Toff Cookie and it's a chocolate brown. And I'm putting that right into my crease. And I'm building that color up a little. And I'm also switching back to the first color to blend it out. Just go back and forth with the two until I'm happy with the blend. Next, I'm picking up a color called Chocolate Wasted, which is the darkest shade in my palette. It's a deep chocolate brown. And I put that in the crease and I just blend it out. And you see I'm going back and forth with that, with like windshield wiper motions, until I'm happy with how that looks. And I keep switching back to the previous color to blend out the edges. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, next I'm going in with Turtle Dove, which is an off-white color. And I'm picking that up on a flat brush and I'm applying it all over my lid. And I'm also using that to highlight my brow bone. Okay, next I'm going in with Break the Ice, which is a rose gold shimmer, but it can literally be any shimmer that you want, like gold, champagne, whatever you like. And I'm using that on a flat brush with some primer water on it because shimmers always apply better wet, most of them. And I'm filling in about 3/4 of my lid with this. And next I'm applying the same shade with my finger because that will give me a lot more color payoff. And next I'm going in with glitter glue. Mine is by Lit Cosmetics, but it can literally be any glitter glue that you want. And I'm just taking a bit on my finger and I lightly pat it on. And now I'm picking up Snow Globe, which is a pressed glitter from this palette. It's not exactly silver, it's like champagne rose. I don't really know what color. And yeah, I just lightly pat that on with my finger. And I'm not using too much glitter, I just want this to be a sprinkle. And next I'm just cleaning up the edge a little bit with the white shade. So now I'm going back in with the darkest brown shade, and I put that in my in the outer edge of my eye, and run it through the crease as well. And I just nicely blend that in with the glitter. I'm only patting that on a little bit on the outer corner, not too much. I just want it to be like a dark frame on the edge there. And go back and forth with that, deepen it up a little bit. And I'm also switching back to the very first shade we applied, but no extra product on the brush, just to blend out the edges a little bit. Okay, next we are putting on some liquid liner. Mine is by KVD Cosmetics. It's my favorite black liquid liner. And I'm only putting on like a thin line, and I don't wing it out because that doesn't go with this look, I think. However, if you want to have a wing, feel free to put on a wing. Okay, and that's this done. And here I have my base on, my blush, my highlight. And next we're gonna go in and do the bottom lid. And I'm picking up the medium brown shade. And I apply that all along my lower lash line. And you want to connect that a little bit with the outer corner of the eye. And next I'm going in with the darkest brown shade again. Running that around my lower lash line. And connecting with the top lid and the outer corner. Make sure all the edges are nicely blended and eventually switch back to the previous colors just to blend it out. And next we're putting on mascara. Any mascara of your choice will do. Mine is by Essence, it doesn't really matter. I don't see a big difference in quality in mascara anyways. And all that's left to do now is throwing on some fake lashes of your choice, a lipstick, and an inner corner shade to highlight, and then we will be done. And here we are. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. Let me know if you try this at home.